Assalamu alaikum, and let's solve question 11 of exercise 6A intermediate level mathematics grade 6. Question क्या कहता है? Question states that a fish tank of 80 centimeters by 40 centimeters contains water to the height of 35 centimeters. So on your right side you can see that there is a fish tank which has a breadth of 40 centimeters, length of 80 centimeters, and the height of water inside this tank is 35 centimeters. And what do we need to do? We need to find the volume of water inside the tank. So the complete volume of the water inside this tank is needed to be calculated. And secondly, the surface area of the tank that is in contact with the water, giving your answer in meters squares. So there are 5 sides: the left side and the right side, the front side and the rear side, and the bottom side which is in contact with the water, and therefore we have to calculate the area of each of these sides, add them up, and we have to give the answers in meters square. So let's start to solve this. And the first thing is that we need to find the volume of water inside the fish tank. How would we do this? We would multiply the height of the water inside the tank, which is 35 centimeters, then multiplying this with the length of the tank, which is 80 centimeters, finally multiplying it with the breadth of the tank, which is 40 centimeters. Putting all the values in, we get 0.112 meter cube. And we know that 1 cubic meter is 1000 liters, just like in the last question. So 0.112 multiplied by 1000 would give us 112 liters, which is the answer for part 1. Now going towards part 2, which is to find the surface area of the tank that is in contact with the water. How would we find it? We need to add the area of the left and the right side, which is as you can see, this is the left side. And how would we calculate the area of the left side that is in water, that is in contact with the water? This is the height, and multiplying it with the breadth. So 35 by 40. Similarly, for the right side, we have height 35 and the base is breadth is 40 centimeters. Finally, in the front we have height 35 and the length is 80, and also in the rear side it is the same, which is 35 multiplied by 80. And finally, for the bottom side we multiply 80 by 40. So putting all these values inside, you can see this is for the left, this is for the right. In the golden you can see the front and the rear side, and in the black color you see the area of the bottom side. And finally we get the answer, which is 1.162 meters, and this is your answer.